Hello everybody. This is Sandy. Welcome to my channel. I've got some really nice goodies that I just received a few days ago from Country Craft Creations. It took a little bit longer. Post office kind of like, I don't know what happened. Took a few extra days, but it's all good. I got it all in great shape. So I'm happy and I'm excited to share with you what I got. So stay tuned. First, I'm going to show you some of the basics I've got because you always got to have basics for your stash, right? So you see here, this is a full pack of the much loved, coveted 12 by 12 black artisan cardstock. Sometimes it's out of stock and it changes kind of weirdly on my camera. But anyway, it's a very nice black cardstock that I love to use for the basis of my projects that I love to use for the basis of my projects. Then this is a public service announcement. It's time to order your art glitter glue for the winter months so you don't run out. When I placed my order, all that was left were these 4-ounce, which I love this size anyway, so I ordered a couple. I don't know, I may try to order some more. I do have some, quite a bit from the past few months that I have been stockpiling. But the reason is the company doesn't ship it during the freezing temperatures of winter. So because it's water-based, it will freeze, and then when it thaws out, you have glue that doesn't work well. So the company won't ship it out. Country Craft Creations will not take an order for it or ship it out. You may find it other places, but that doesn't mean it's going to arrive in good condition for you. So take heed. Get your art glitter glue now. The 4-ounce does come with the little metal tips, though I use mine in other ways with the precision glue gun that I have. I just put it into the bottle, a different bottle. So got that. You got to have your basics, right? I don't know. I got both of the newest exclusive collections by Country Craft Creations in both the 8x8 and the 12x12. I'm not going to be showing the 8x8 because the images show up better in the 12x12, but these are fun sizes to have. I will let you know that you will be seeing this 12 by 12, and somehow in my recording I misplaced the cover sheet. I know it's here somewhere. I will be ordering the 12 by 12 Magical Adventures. I think that's what it's called. Let's see, let me check. Yes, Adventures in Magic. Adventures in Magic, the Harry Potter paper. I will be ordering it in a 12 by 12. Well, actually, I've already ordered it for my design team package haul. This is a personal shopping haul. Just wanted to make sure I got this stuff in case you guys went cray and bought it all. So you will be seeing me showing this again for my design team package haul. I already have an idea of what I'm going to create with this. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be a carousel book, tunnel book, so you can see down through it. I'm working on the prototype right now using Lost in Wonderland, and it's turning out really, really stinking cute. So we'll go over this in just a minute. Let's go over the Pooh's Adventures with Friends. Now I'm going to set this. These are my colors that I got. And when I placed this order, I was just looking at these online and saying, maybe my colors will work. Some of them do. Some of them I like better. But if you want to be 100% sure and happy with your choice, or you can't decide, Tanya with Country Craft Creations takes the collection and matches it to my colors from the store, and then does a list of it. So there's a whole document of all the country craft creation papers, collections, and a list of the colors that best go with them. So like for Pooh's Adventure with Friends, Tuscan Sun, Sweet Potatoes, Bluebells, Sweetie Pie, and Imperial Red. I don't think I have any of those. I don't think. But that's okay. Um, for Pooh, for Adventures and Magic for the Harry Potter one, the colors in my colors are Velvet Night, Goldenrod, Wine, Evergreen, Black Bear, and Granite. I don't think I ordered any of those until my design tea package. So I picked up a few of these because I will be using those to show you in my design tea package. Project number 2, not number 1, not the carousel book. But anyway, so as we look at this, we can kind of like look at some of these colors and see how they kind of maybe work. Pooh's Adventure with Friends is so cute. Look at those little images. Always save this cover sheet because you can make little tags out of these, cut these out for smaller embellishments. This is the same paper as your collection. I got these all out of order because I had already filmed it or thought I did, but anyway. You do get 2 sheets of this. You get 1 sheet where they're punched out of your tags, plain on the back, already punched for you. Super, super cute images. Just take a quick look at that. I'm not going to jibber jabber about it. You know, it's so cute. So, so cute. Then you get the second one of this, and it has the cutest background, and I'll find it here in a minute in this stack. This design, you do get 3 of each, is the map. So we have one side has where the sandy pit is more to the left, like this. I think that's the back. And then you flip it over, and you have the sandy pit in the center and Pooh Bear's house. So if you take the front and the back, front and the back, or whatever, and line these up like this and put them together, you have a bigger piece for a map, or you can, cut and do some layering and matting and things if you want to with that. So that's pretty cool. Okay. Love this little pattern here with the borders. You'll notice that Pooh's t-shirt is blue, not red. That's because the red one is still in copyright. But look at that little blue check with that. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Love this one. This is out of order too. The honeycomb in the background, the tree, Pooh with his head stuck. So the flip side is like that. Very cute, very cute. Here we have our red check. Got one right here. So we have Eeyore. Could be worse, not sure how, but it could be. And then, of course, you got more of the red check on the back. And I just saw the other cut apart here. This one is, you would fussy cut, but hey, I love this paper. Going to have to use this backside for that. Okay. This would make such an adorable baby album or a toddler's album, or just a special little keepsake album if you want the images, a little junk journal, whatever you want to do. Look at this. Isn't that cute? And then, of course, let's flip this over, and we have our dandelions. Adorable. Love this one with the stripes. Yes, there is another one here of it somewhere. There we go. The hearts, Kanga with his mother. Flip it over, and there you got your stripes for the extra. Plenty of paper to make projects with when you get a Country Craft Creations collection because of the 3 sheets of pattern paper. So here, now keep in mind on your journaling cards or cut apart cards, you only get 2 sheets, okay? So these are your 4x6, your 3x4s, and some borders. But when you flip it over, you do have this fabulous little dot. So if you only need 1 sheet of this, you have this to work with for this print. Okay. Did you see this one yet? No. For those of you who've been looking for him, there's Tigger. He's the older version, the more vintage looking Tigger. I love all these characters with that design. And then we have the B side is bees. And look how cute they are. And then we have more bees on the A side. A side has bees. No, wait, I'm wrong. A side has bees and honey pots and beehives with Pooh. Cute. And then the B side has more bees. Okay, so you can see the different colors that I picked out still will work. So go to your stash. If you have my colors already on hand, and you may find that there are some others that will work. This is what is this one? I can't read upside down. Banana pepper. It's a darker yellow. Then we have the sun glow, if you want a light and kind of a shimmery. That's pretty. These two I pretty much picked for Harry Potter. We'll look at those in a minute. But I think with some of the Pooh colors, they would work because, like, if you have your evergreen trees there and you want to pull that in, or the gray, the charcoal there for Eeyore or whatever, that would work. This I did get for Harry Potter. Running out of space here. The reds, this one looks great. It is Chinese red. So I got a bunch of Chinese red there. And then this blue, I think maybe it's a little too bright. It kind of maybe works, but if you see it in person, not really. Save that. That might work with Harry Potter. I don't know. This lighter blue will. This one, oh, and that dark blue was Commodore blue. This blue here, this one I think works maybe better, is a sky. I like that with the bees and stuff and some of the other images, so I think I like that one. And then this is a red. This is another one that could work. It's showing brighter on my camera than it really is. It's more of a darker color. And this is Firecracker, so that may work with Harry Potter. I'm going to stick it down there. Okay, so that is our Pooh. Did I show you the charms? I also got the charms. Look at these, how cute they are. There's Pooh in his blue t-shirt with his nose in the honey pot, and there is Pooh with his hand in the honey pot and with Piglet by him. Okay, super cute. So let's take a look at Harry Potter's Adventures in Magic. Okay, so let's just start it off with this one. I love this one. This is one of the prints where you get 3, so there's a third one in here. This is all messed up, guys. Oh, there's my cover sheet. Let's get that out. Cover sheet. Again, keep all this, same paper. Wonderful, works wonderful. What did I do with this one here? Third one. Well, we'll just keep plugging along. We have our cutter parts here, the tags. You get the ones that are already pre-punched for you on the white background. You get the ones that you fussy cut or use this wonderful gold, yellow, gold, and black background. You get 2 of the cards, cut apart cards in your 4x6, 3x4s, and your borders. Look at the toads. Love them. Navy blue background, striped. We're going to go move on with this. You do get 3 of these, okay? They're in there. Dumbledore and the library, I guess that's what you would call it, whatever. I could sit here and look at it for hours and try to find all the wonderful different things in here. Fabulous, fabulous. And then you have this print back here. 3 of those for sure. I'll find the other one in a minute here. This one, all the stars in the background, and oh geez, I can't think of the game. You know what I mean. Oh, look at the stars. Here's your train. Hogwarts. Is it Hogsmeade train? I'd have to look it up. I had it the other day on the tip of my tongue, but there we go. It's been a long time since I've read Harry Potter. I have the whole set, but I love it. Look at that. And then this on the back. Toads and jelly beans. Okay, so here we have our potions and stuff. I love the colors of these. Okay, and then a green stripe. We have this with the kind of a burgundy stripe in the gold. Perfect. Then we have this and that background with all the lettering. Can't think what that's. I can't remember it all. There he is. There he is right there. So put that where he belongs. This one I think is my favorite. I love that car in the tree. I always have. That is just what I think of when I think of Harry Potter. I love it. And on the back side, we have the map. We have the grounds of Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. There's the lake and the quad, the Hogwarts Castle, the clock tower, Quidditch pitch. That's what that is, Quidditch. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And then last but not least is your chess pieces on the chessboard. And then you flip it over and you have that. So you're going to be seeing this walkthrough again when I get my design team package. I've already ordered it. It is on its way probably or very soon. As soon as I get it, my stuff takes a little longer to get to me. I will have a design team package haul with the 12 by 12 again, and it's the my colors that I picked off that list that go with this that work a little better. I will not be using cardstock in my first project though. I'll be using the pattern paper and some chipboard, but the second project will have the cardstock in it. So anyway, everybody, I want to thank you so very much for watching. Let's see if I can get all these kind of back in order. Oh, I didn't show you the cardstock that I thought would work with this. So the reds, the real reds, probably not so much, maybe on a few things like that. Okay. The evergreen, is that what it's called, this one? Forest green will work. I think there's an evergreen that might be better, but see it there with that, and then the different images. And then I do like the charcoal. I think there's granite was what's on the list, so I did order that on my next order, but you can see if you have charcoal, I think it would work great anyway with a lot of these. So yeah, that's my shopping haul, not my design team project, but my shopping haul. This is an order I put in personal, purchased it with my own money. With cash, maybe it was my husband's money, who knows. Anyway, I purchased it, ordered it from Country Craft Creations, so I wanted to share it with you so you can get on there, and if you haven't already, order you some of the Pooh collection and the Harry Potter's Adventures in Magic. You won't be disappointed. Really fun. They're still in stock. I checked. Nothing's sold out yet. She probably printed a truckload of it to make sure she didn't run out, because this one I can predict is going to be well loved and sought after by many. And yeah, you want to have some in your hands for making projects, because I'm pretty sure some other designers will be playing with both of these. So thank you so much for joining me in this shopping haul. Give me a thumbs up if you like shopping hauls. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Be sure to click the bell or click on notifications so you'll be knowing my next project is up. And always check out countrycraftcreations.com for your scrapbooking, paper crafting supplies. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day. Bye-bye.